What's up guys, my name is John, and in this video I will show you guys 3 ways that you can use to soften your edges here in Clip Studio Paint. So the first way is, first of all, you go over to your edge tool, your figure tool and then you create this box here. And then what you want to do next is control click the thumbnail of the layer to create a selection, and then you go over to this box where you have this layer mask. You click on it, create a layer mask, then you also create a selection from this layer mask. Control click that, and then you go over to select, invert the selection, Control Shift I, and then go back to that selection, and then you click on blur the border. Here I'm going to choose 40 to make it noticeable. Look, if you look at it, it's completely sharp now. So if I hit blur the border 40 and then I hit the delete key, you can see that the borders are blurry. I've softened the borders of the object. So the second way, let me deselect it. The second way is to again make this cube here. The same process, you control click this to create a selection, then you create the mask again. You control click the mask, and then you head over to filter and go to blur and Gaussian blur. Then as you can see, if I increase the slider, you can see how the thing is updating in real time. So if I reduce it, you can see here. Let me deselect it. As you can see, the border is now soft. This is the second way of softening your edges here in Clip Studio Paint. And then the third way is to, again, I'll create that cube, but this time I'll duplicate the layer. Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, or you can go over to layer here and click on duplicate layer, Ctrl J. Then go to the layer below it, and then you go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then you increase the layer. You increase the blur. I'll choose this one. As you can see, the border is blurry, but the layer above it is sharp. The layer above it is sharp, but the layer below it is blurry. So that's what I did. Then you can decide to merge the layers. You can decide to merge the layers. Ctrl E. That's where now the border is blurry. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.